Chris, whoa.
That escalated quickly.
Escalated quickly is correct. Yeah, fifth fastest drop.
From 52-week highs to a 10% correction. It did happen quickly. And, you know, I mean, everything seems to be moving a little more quickly these days. The big news, though, I think, is the height of volatility and fear in terms of how fast we got to a level of uncertainty and fear.
Yeah. So by, I guess, Friday of last week, we had the biggest, or the third biggest of all time VIX spikes. We went from a VIX measurement of 21 to 45, and that ranks right up there. And you know, looking out, according to this chart by Charlie Bilello, a lot of green follows those types of activities.
Yeah, and the VIX is the volatility index, which has a long-run average of like 19.5. And so we put on our finance key cats and kind of look at this. I mean, that's a big move. It's really
it's
big
a
move.
big move. There's no question about it.
So there's a point at which you got to swing the bat and take a chance on equities bouncing. It doesn't mean that everything's sunshine and roses and we'll move in a straight line, but numbers look pretty good historically when you look at volatility spiking in terms of what you get into the future. Now we'll temper that in a second, but
that's right. Yeah, and just another look at that. It was it ranked amongst the highest weekly closes.
Right.
You know, closing the market at a VIX of 45.3.
Yep.
Unusual for things to have settled out over the weekend. And then, quite frankly, you know, I know you had seen something called Orange Monday. Monday kind of followed through on that, and that's a play on Trump. I think, you know, for those that, you know.
Yeah, Monday had some volatility. The idea
continued.
of Orange Monday was, you know, like a Black Friday.
That's right.
You know, kind of
or
thing.
the Black Monday. Right?
But it really didn't come. But there was a ton of volatility yesterday.
That's
There's no
right.
question. As we kind of work through fear over the weekend, it's not surprising. I mean, if you have a high weekly close, meaning close on Friday, usually what that leads to is more fear on Monday. And to go back to Jeff Sott and Raymond James days, hat tip, Jeff, turning Tuesday. Often.
Which here on April 8th, we're at least currently experiencing.
Yeah, that's right.
There's some positivity through noon here today.